our 72-inch display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have at least 71 3/4 inches. A depth of 33 1/4 inches. Overall height will be 59 1/2 inches tall. Display case is split into two sections. The bottom is a grab and go, and the top a refrigerated display. Measurements for the top portion. We have a depth of 28 inches, a height of 16 inches. Measurements for the bottom portion. We have a depth of 26 inches, a length of 68 1/2 inches, overall height of 11 inches, and located in the ceiling is a LED strip. Coming to the back of the case will be your left and right dual slide doors, and inside the shelf. The shelf is held in by the left and right brackets that can be removed and inserted into the brace, so therefore the shelf can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. Measurements for the interior. We have a depth of 18 inches, a length of 66 1/2 inches, and the overall height from the bottom level to the ceiling of the shelf, we have 9 inches. Measurements for the actual shelf itself. We have at least 17 1/2 inches in depth, with at least 66 inches in length. LED strips located on the top and the bottom ceiling of the shelf. Coming beneath, it will be your 110, 120 voltage plug, power switches, and temperature control. Located to the right will be your ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.